Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to effectively study for the LSAT. Begin by taking a full-length diagnostic test to understand your current standing. This initial assessment is crucial for identifying areas where you excel and where you need more focus. Familiarize yourself with the test's format, including the logical reasoning, logic games, and reading comprehension sections. This foundational step sets the stage for a targeted and efficient study plan. Next, develop a structured study plan that fits your lifestyle. Consistency is key, so aim for dedicated study blocks each day, perhaps 15 to 20 hours per week. Allocate time for each section of the LSAT, ensuring you don't neglect any area. Regularly review your progress and adjust your schedule as needed. A well-organized plan helps maintain momentum and prevents burnout during your preparation. Effective LSAT preparation heavily relies on consistent practice with official materials. Take full-length practice tests under timed conditions to simulate the actual exam environment. After each test, conduct a thorough review of every question, not just the ones you got wrong. Understand why the correct answer is right and why the incorrect options are wrong. An error log can help you identify and address your persistent weaknesses. As you approach your test date, refine your strategies and simulate the actual exam experience. Practice under strict timed conditions, including the experimental section and breaks. Work on your pacing to ensure you complete each section efficiently. Focus on maintaining a positive mindset and managing test anxiety. Trust in the hard work you've put in. You are well prepared for success.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.